In today's show, crypto is unstoppable and the Bitcoin price will hit $100,000, says Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. He took to Twitter saying, Bitcoin's price is going down? ? Remember everyone, after the FUD, news trading and manipulation clears out, we still have a global movement that's going to change the world. We will see $10,000 Bitcoin again and welcome $100,000. Crypto is unstoppable. Crypto is the future. We're going to be discussing this in today's show. Also, will the Bitcoin price plunge further? Analysts target $6,000. In the past 48 hours, we've seen a bloody mess with the Bitcoin price action and the entire crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin trading at just above $7,200. 48 hours ago, it was trading at above $8,500. So what's the future of the Bitcoin price and what's going on in the crypto market? We'll be discussing all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into what the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, has to share. Despite a recent bout of fear, uncertainty, and doubt within the crypto community, Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, has set a bullish $100,000 price target for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dying, or so it would appear. If you lurk around any corner of crypto Twitter, this dour sentiment is somewhat understandable given the current price performance of Bitcoin. In the space of a month, Bitcoin has been on a sad slope down to $7,000 where it currently resides, currently trading at about $7,200. Some hope was regained at the end of October when the flagship crypto broke free of the bears. Following China's widespread adoption of blockchain, Bitcoin attempted to surmount the $10,000 mark, but this wasn't to be, and Bitcoin has continued to sour ever since, as we can see in this graph right here on the screen. Nevertheless, looking to mainline the flagging crypto community with a healthy dose of hopium is Hoskinson. Amid the plethora of bearish opinion, the Cardano creator came out bullish as ever, highlighting Bitcoin's future prospects. He alluded that while short-term losses are inevitably crippling, long-term fundamentals still exist. To this end, he placed a $10,000 price mark for Bitcoin before hinting at the eventuality of $100,000. Taking a look at this tweet from Charles Hoskinson, he wrote, "We will see 10,000 Bitcoin again and welcome $100,000. Crypto is unstoppable. Crypto is the future." Now let's check out some of the comments. No, bro. China completely regulate all Bitcoin. This is a final and epic wrecked. If Bitcoin has strength and only reaction on the government statement was a burst of laugh, not a burst of price down, 80% of farms and cheap electricity won't migrate to the South Pole at once. Homer J responded, $100,000? I thought it was move over Bitcoin. Cardano is number one. Quoting you from some earlier AMA. Slightly conflicting narrative there, Chuck. Tom Craze responded, can't believe this guy still buys the Bitcoin meme. He's running a billion-dollar project with a company of computer engineers and scientists, and he's got absolutely no issue with a multinational insurance company adding SegWit to the protocol. Kello Crypto replied, let's not fool ourselves. We all looking at the price. How deep rooted is your belief in the project? I'm looking at today as the start of a holiday gift, and you should too. Please, good time to call all friends and let them know about ADA. Sales going on. One love. Robert Harmon responded, the market is pricing the arrival of Bitcoin options for the future market. In 2 months, you can use the leverage to trade an infinity supply of Bitcoins. Bitcoin will never make new highs. Best thesis, invest in application layer coins. Protocol coins are done. Hoskinson attributed much of Bitcoin's recent losses to FUD, news trading, and manipulation. One thing is for sure, there hasn't been any lack of those. The Binance raid and China's crypto shutdown, we discussed this in yesterday's episode. One of the biggest and frankly most FUD-driven stories of this week came in the form of a so-called Binance raid. According to a report from The Block, Binance's Shanghai offices were raided by Chinese authorities. The publication cited an insider source explaining that 50 to 100 employees had been removed and were forced to relocate for work. But here's the kicker: Binance hasn't had an office in Shanghai for over 2 years. Taking a look at this tweet from the Binance CEO, he wrote, Binance hasn't had an office in Shanghai for more than 2 years. So that equals FUD. However, the news is running with these stories. Incredible, isn't it? As reported Friday, not all the story was fabricated. It seems Chinese officials are, in fact, clamping down on the crypto exchanges. According to an announcement from the People's Bank of China, opposition towards crypto trading is being reinforced within the country. The notice relays that China's recent obsession with blockchain has given rise to virtual currency speculation, along with an uptick in crypto exchange activity, something which the People's Bank of China is looking to dispose of immediately. In the fallout of all of this, Bitcoin has once again taken a tumble, but not all is lost. Will Bitcoin bounce back? Well, Hoskinson isn't the only one remaining positive in the face of FUD. According to Forbes contributor and investment guru Clem Chambers, Bitcoin's recent slump is simply noise. Chambers explained how recent news trading and the subsequent drop in Bitcoin has led to a buying opportunity. Chambers writes, Bitcoin is going down. It's in a bear market. That is bad news if you're a short-term holder. It's good news if you're a long-term acquirer. And I mention this all the time. When there's blood on these crypto streets, there's opportunity. When there's extreme bearish sentiment, there is a great buying opportunity to be investing in some of your favorite cryptocurrencies and long-term projects. So for Chambers, Bitcoin's current price volatility is misleading simply because the events causing the drop are outside of Bitcoin's typical trend. While he still admits that Bitcoin is tanking towards capitulation, Chambers suggests that it wouldn't take much for a reversal to occur. As for a catalyst, there doesn't seem to be any on the horizon right now. Instead, Chambers advocates picking up some cheap coins. Who knows? You may be thankful you did if Bitcoin does manage to reach $100,000. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think Bitcoin will eventually get back to above $10,000 this year? And do you think we are heading towards $100,000 possibly in 2020? I'd love to know your thoughts. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see Bitcoin is in the green, up 0.43% in the past 24 hours after having a massive dump, currently trading at 71.73. Ether down 0.3%, trading at $149. XRP down 1.9%, trading at just below 23 cents. Miss Litecoin up 0.04%, trading at $47. BNB Coin down 3%, trading at $15.57. Link is up 1.89%, trading at $2.36. Maker is up a whopping 13%, trading at $531. What else we got here? Bitcoin Satoshi Vision up almost 3%, trading at $96, and Bitcoin Cash down 1.4%, trading at $204. Will the Bitcoin price plunge further? Analysts target $6,000. Let's talk about it. The 2019 crypto rally is becoming a distant memory as the year draws to a close. Bitcoin has plunged through several levels of support this week, and the altcoins have been annihilated as usual. Crypto market cap has shrunk by 16% since the same time last weekend. It has now dropped below $200 billion, which puts digital assets back in crypto winter territory. According to TradingView, Bitcoin continued its downward slide and did not stop at 7K. Support was smashed again, and the king of crypto fell into dangerous ground with the wick down to $6,800. This is the lowest level since mid-May, when things were all in the opposite direction, as we can see right here in this graph. Taking a look at these tweets from crypto analyst Loma, who wrote, lose $7,300 and those $5,000 to $6,000 targets become a lot more plausible. My long-term spot buys yesterday at $8,000 area are underwater. If I see the reaction I'm expecting, which we'll share here in a second, I'll be looking to short for the short to mid-term. And also went on to say, Bitcoin moving a bit faster than I thought. Selling climax isn't here yet, in my opinion. Pray that $6,900 holds, because it's a whole lot of air until the $6,000 area. With all the support over the past 6 months broken, the next level to hold is $6,800. After this is a painful plunge down into the high $5,000 level. It's all shaping up for another crypto winter this this winter, and hopes are being pinned on the halving next spring to inject some life back into the crypto markets. Reuters have reported that a Chinese crackdown has caused the collapse, but this is unlikely because Beijing's stance on crypto is already widely known. Looking at the bigger picture is the only way to find something positive out of the current situation. Taking a look at this tweet from Thomas Lee, he wrote a reminder to keep a focus on the bigger picture for Bitcoin, and he ultimately retweeted this tweet from Tur Demister, who wrote, Bitcoin's parabolic uptrend, which started in January 2015, is still intact, now nearly touching support again for the first time since March of 2019. Hashtag buy the dip. I'm in total agreement here. We must look at the Bitcoin graph from a bird's eye view, a bird's eye perspective for the long haul. And if you do so, you will see we are in a bullish trend. The total crypto market cap is $197 billion, with $91 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.2%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, EDU Care is leading the pack, up 43%, currently trading at 9.4 cents. iExec RLC up 19%, trading at 70 cents. Matic Network up 19%, trading at 1.5 cents. Maker up 13.5%, trading at $534. Tezos up 11%, and this has been pumping even during all of this bearish sentiment. It's up 11%, trading at $1.33, and Augur up 9%, trading at $11.28. And now for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Silverway down 14%, trading at 64 cents. DX Chain token down 12%, trading at 0.001. Bytum down 8%, trading at 7.2 cents. Bytecoin down 7%, trading at 0.0003. And Huboy token down 5%, trading at $2.69. And BitMax token down 4.8%, trading at 5.7 cents. And checking out the BitMax margins, we can see the bears are in control with about 9 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading the way, but barely, with 50.14% versus 49.86% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And taking a look at the crypto greed and fear index, right now we're in extreme fear, rated at a 23. Yesterday was extreme fear with a 20. Last week was fear with a 38. And last month was a 50, which is considered neutral. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, here's the breakdown. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a buying opportunity. Hint, hint. Wink, wink, right? When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me through this crypto matrix. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click the link right below this video in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Watch the quick 57-second video I shot, enter your best email, follow the simple directions, and they will literally send you $25 worth of cryptocurrency absolutely free. I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.